What do we have here? Huh? What do we have here? Oh! You gonna eat your fist? Hello, Hen. Oh! Oh! Now wait a minute. You want giraffe? Take a giraffe. Ooh. There's a giraffe. No, that doesn't work. Yes! Give a big smile. Yes, Henry. Yes! Oh, there's a hawk. Yeah! Tell me about it. Tell me all about it. This is the Honorable Henry Wisnant Saville presiding. Oh, yes, I think the giraffe deserves to be eaten. Nom 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 nom. That's it, suck on the giraffe. Yeah, that's good. Henry, hawk, yeah. That's it, just get him. Look at that tummy. Look at that little tummies. Whoa! Huh? You go, you got your blankie? You go, you got your blankie. Hold on to your blankie. Stuff that right in your mouth. That's good. What are you gonna do? Just eat the whole blanket all up. Just eat that whole blanket all up. Is that what you're gonna do? Yes. Good. Gobble it all up.